Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Ventla. Today I'm going to show you how to access the event on Ventla's virtual venue, which is our web platform. So first things first, your event administrator will distribute a direct link to the event, and I have mine housed in an email right here. Now before we get started, we always recommend everyone use the Google Chrome browser when accessing Ventla's virtual venue. That will give you the best experience. So I'm going to start off by clicking on this link that you see on my screen here, and it's going to take me to a registration screen. So I'm going to register with my email, and then I'm going to check this box to accept our privacy policy and click Next. Now I need to verify my email with a 4-digit code that is sent to my email from Ventla. So just give that a couple of seconds to come through, and I just received my code 6552. Once you have your code typed in, go ahead and click Next, and you will be redirected to the event on Ventla's virtual venue. As you can see, I am now in the Atlantic Conference event on Ventla's virtual venue. Thanks, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your day.